Okay.
Okay, the bridge, which we have the E minor. Then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we did this. And then we have this. Those places where we stayed on the chord for 8 beats, we can use passing chords. So we start with our E minor 7. This part we already had. And this is new. So after the E minor 7th, we do go to that 5th fret bar chord twice. Second finger, low E7. First finger, 6D. Third finger, 7G. Second finger on the low is blotting out the A and don't play the top 2 strings. Up a fret. First finger stays, everybody else up a fret. Back rework. Down a fret. Down a fret. And now, which we already had, and now, you notice about these passing chords, the same fingers stay on the same strings. Third fret bar chord instead of 8 times, twice. Second finger low E, 5. First finger 4D. Third finger 5G. It's the same shape as we did in A, just down 2 frets. Up a fret. First finger stays, everybody else up a fret. Move your second and third finger up to 8, and this guy's 1 fret behind instead of 2. Up a fret. They're the same shapes. So now, the first part of the first solo, it's okay. I'll play it, then I'll describe it. But I brought in the last note of each phrase instead of all of them. And it actually does that twice. So we've got third finger 8 on the B. Slide to 10, then hit the high E8 and back to that last note on the B string. Skip to the same fret on the high E string, 10. Half step bend, 8 and 10B. So we've got second finger goes to 8 on the G, slide to 9, 8B, 10, 9, 8 on the B, and back to 10. That's 8, 9 on the G, D string, 10, then slide 8 to 7. We're going back to that 7 on the D, but first 8 on the A, 7, 10 on the D. 7, 8, 9 on the G, use fingers 1, 2, and 2. Slide, 8B, 10B, high E, 8. So we've got now, pull-off time, 11, 10, 8 on the high E. 10B back to 8 high E. Resolve. 13B down to 10. We'll go to 12G and 13B. All together, slow-mo.